This micronized creatine monohydrate by Doublewood Supplements just came today in the mail, and I'm really excited to try it out. Before this, I've only tried instantized creatine, which dissolves completely in water, but this creatine monohydrate by Doublewood Supplements really caught my eye because they appear to have a much more budget-friendly offering than most other brands that I've seen. So now, for the first time together, we're going to try out this budget-friendly micronized creatine, see how easy or difficult it is for it to dissolve in water, and see whether or not it leaves that notorious chalky taste. All right, we have the container open. I have a scoop of the creatine powder. Right off the bat, I could say that I can definitely see that the texture of this creatine is different than the instantized creatine. By micronized, it does seem to be a lot more gritty and sand-like, whereas the instantized was, I guess, like chunkier or smoother. But of course, the texture of the creatine doesn't really matter. What does matter is, one, is it going to dissolve well in water or leave a grainy texture? And two, is it going to be effective as creatine monohydrate, which, according to science, it is regardless of the texture. So let's go ahead and put it in water. I've got it in the funnel. I'm gonna give it a few taps. Here we go. So we got it in and it's formed up at the bottom, but we're gonna go ahead and shake it up and see if we can get it to dissolve in the water. Even though it's not designed to dissolve completely in water like instantized creatine, it's only been like a minute, and I'll say that looks pretty clear to me. Like, it's not too bad. I do see that it is starting to form together at the bottom again a little bit, so perhaps with this creatine you have to keep shaking it as you drink it, but I'm okay with that as long as it tastes okay and there's no strange texture to it. So let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Yeah, I would say that this creatine works as advertised. It does not have any flavor whatsoever, and it still tastes like regular water, even though you can see that the creatine is still dissolving in the water. So even though micronized creatine as a whole isn't designed to dissolve completely in water like instantized creatine, personally, I think I would be okay with using it as a supplement if the goal is just to increase creatine intake. And for the creatine monohydrate offered by Doublewood specifically, because it is a much more budget-friendly offering, I do think that this is a great option for those who don't necessarily need instantized creatine or those who are looking to save a little bit of money. Looking purely at science, at the end of the day, creatine is creatine. So pick up some creatine monohydrate from Doublewood Supplements and enjoy your gains.